Why do you think all the kids said yes, Mrs. Hyatt, when the competition is still on, or do you think they just gave up on themselves?
No. I think that here, Stacy, you go.
I think that maybe they just said that to make all the teachers happy at the moment, and because they only said 3 words, and that's the limit they can talk to teachers. They said yes, Mrs. Hyatt, and that's all 3 words, and that's the limit they can say to a teacher. So I feel like the contest is still on, but I feel like something a little bit mysterious is going on, and I really want to figure it out.
Great. Okay. Beautiful, Stacy. I totally agree with you on no. Okay. What? I totally agree with you on saying that the contest is still going on because it was a 3-word sentence. Yes, Mrs. Hyatt. So okay, thanks. So I think that she said, is that clear to everyone? It's definitely clear. It's definitely clear because because they answered, but maybe the contest is still going on.
Thank you for watching.